Is it going? Hi, today I'll be inflating this airplane inflatable. So, there's presents, there's colors, presents. Cool. Now put it in. Now, as you see, it starts to inflate. There you go. It's inflated. This is an inflatable. Let's see actually today.
Wow, it went right up. Is that old big motor?
No, it just went right up. No, don't. It's right up the moon. Okay, so this just goes right up. We had 6 in today, and it didn't really have the lights in it yet. So I'm gonna take it home and bring it back next week so that we can get some whole packing and some lights for this. So let me show you how it melts. Unplug it, it melts. Perfect. And I'll see you next time on another one.